this is my Slim Fast box from Box Influencer. Having a little trouble. Okay, so there's a glass. Get what you really want, Slim Fast. And the flavor I got is strawberries and cream. And then some recipe cards. So, this is my influencer box. So this is a better look at what I got in my box from Influencer. It's a strawberries and cream Slim Fast shake. And then these are the recipes. Well, that's not the recipe, that's the instructions. These are the recipes. You got mocktails and then real cocktails. So, Very Sexy Vanilla Sunrise Mocktail, Sinful Iced Latte Mocktail, Tall, Dark, and Handsome Mocktail, and Sassy Strawberry Colada. I'll let you know how it tastes.